How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in this video, we will talk about on how we can fix Geometry Dash login failed. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have entered the right username and the right password, because that might cause the login failed issue on your Geometry Dash. From there, you also want to make sure that you have connected your device through a strong and secured connection. So if you're using your mobile devices, you want to turn off your mobile data and connect through a strong Wi-Fi. And if you're on your computer, you maybe want to use a LAN cable. But still, if it shows you the problem, the only thing to fix this is to simply restart or reset our account. So just click on the forget password button or forget username, depending on your situation. And from there, Geometry Dash will then send you an email, and then you will be able to fix your account having this problem. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.